Hello guys, do you think it's possible to build a website just using English language, just by writing English? Then you are able to build a website. That's exactly what I did in this program. Exactly what we're going to be doing in this uh, program, right? So I wrote a prompt to a senior web developer with expert in high creating, uh, converting mobile optimized landing page, and I was able to build this website. And I did not write any single line of code to get this website. And the beautiful thing about it is that after creating this website, this landing page, I can actually deploy it and it becomes available online, right? And you can see here, this is the code base. You can see the extensive code that were written out by this AI tool. I did not write any of this code. I am not going to reveal it. The only thing I did was to write prompts English language, specifying what I want, and it gave me exactly what I wanted, right? So the thing there is that you just need to understand how to write prompts and you'll be able to get something like this. And that's exactly what we are doing in this program. I added my custom logo, I added my own video, right? And it's called vibe coding. That is the essence of this program. So look at what you really get. You learn how to launch your website faster. Don't need to sit down and be learning those syntax, because the beautiful thing now is that AI has made it easier for you to be able to communicate to computer using your own English language. Now, computer don't understand English language, neither do they understand code. What they actually understand is 0 and 1, right? So when you send this code, we have what is called uh, a compiler, right? They compile all this language to 0 and 1. But since with AI, you don't need to write this code now. What you just need to write is your prompt. By the time you write your prompt, the AI gives the code and the compiler converts it to 0 and 1, and the computer system gives us these visuals, this website you are seeing. And this is a future skills, right? This is something that is going to boom very soon. You can build any type of website of your choice using this method. Okay, so um we are going to be covering AI powered creation, how to deploy your website, and even how to unlock various opportunities. So you're not just learning a skill that's not going to pay you, you're learning a skill that's going to pay you, right? You're going to make some money, solving problems for businesses. A lot of businesses will want this solution. Now I would have charged a 50,000 naira for this course, but because of the because of our launching, we are giving out 80% discount. So today you get this program for just 10,000 naira. Okay, and then uh this once you're interested, just click on this button and then you get access to the course. Okay, now we are the three aspects we're going to be covering is the domain knowledge, understanding the fundamentals. We'll talk about the LLM exploration. We'll talk about the prompting, how to prompt this system to build efficient website. Now, these are the six types of websites we're going to be doing: business and brand website, personal and professional portfolios, event and informational sites, development, prototyping, interactive and tool-based solutions, content and blog sites. So this is a step-by-step detailed program. So if you're interested, just click on this link or click on the link down the video in the description video to gain access to the step-by-step training. See you in this program. Thank you.